Jorge Prado, who we haven't seen since injuring his shoulder at A2, is back on the bike. And obviously, this is probably where you'd expect him to be the more competitive side of things. With a month to go, or probably a little more than a month to go before the start of Pro Motocross. I think it's May 24th. Correct me if I'm wrong. We have some riding footage of him and, well, a bunch of other pros testing. And this is great because you never want to see anybody out. And with how long he's been gone, uh, he should be healed. Let's hope, knock on wood. Um, from January to, what are we, April 16th as I'm recording this now. So we haven't seen him in about 3 months, really. So with a month to go, who knows? Can he be fully ready, race speed, race fitness, race, mentality for the start of motocross? Hopefully. That would be my hopefully, and you have to expect this is where he's more expected to do well. Coming from MXGP, the motocross side of things is going to be his bread and butter. Being a world champion on the 450, yes, it was a KTM, not the Kawasaki, but being a world champion already, this would be his discipline that you would expect him to be the better side at. Supercross is obviously still very new, coming last year and racing a few rounds, and then this year and racing, well, 3 rounds, so even less. Uh, that's going to be the learning curve side of things. That's going to be the side of the discipline that's not going to come to him right away. But motocross should be where he shines. And this, who knows? If he comes out and he comes firing and he's winning races on the podium every single week, this is going to look really good for him. It's going to look really good for Kawasaki. And, obviously they're going to be happy to have him back after, I'm assuming, the what can only be a big contract. I highly doubt he signed for small money. I don't know year length, value, whatever. If you do, comment down below. But I'm excited for this. I mean, obviously, you're going to have a lot of people coming back from supercross injuries or sitting out to heal from a supercross injury. In motocross, as much as I like supercross, it's fun to watch on TV. I would much rather go to a motocross event and get to be closer. It's a whole different vibe. So for him to be able to come back and, again, hopefully be race fitness, right up from the start, be able to be competitive, running for wins, running for podiums, running for overalls. That would be, at least my thought, the goal. But I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? Where do you think he finishes? Are you excited to see him outdoors? Who do you think wins the title? Whatever it is, we're getting to that point of thing. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.